think a really important thing to understand is the human relationship between people and plants, and that actually plants want to be used if they're used in a way that's reciprocal and is a process of being thankful for the plants. And so one thing that's really important about United Plant Savers is that it's not about hands off. What we're really trying to promote is a relationship with these plants that is beneficial to both people and the plants. My name is Susan Leopold. I'm an ethnobotanist, and I'm welcoming you to the Paris Apothecary. This has really been a dream of mine for a really long time. When I first got into medicinal plants, I traveled to the Amazon and spent a lot of time in Iquitos, and I would go to the medicinal plant part of the market, and there would be these older women in these stalls, and they would have all these tropical plant elixirs behind them, and you would sit at the bar and you would talk about how you're feeling or what kind of sadness or emotion, and they would just grab something off the bar and like serve you up. And so for me, sort of the idea was to have this herbal bar where I can make my plant elixirs from my farm, and I could kind of introduce people to plants, not so much in a clinical way that herbalism is traditionally used, but really in a way that kind of speaks to your emotions and how you're feeling, and to be able to really take in the essence of the plant spirits. Because all of these elixirs that I have here are really made in the moment. They're made with the feelings that I have, and with the plants and how they're being harvested, and the care and the thought that goes into putting these elixirs together. And then furthermore, it's sort of a bigger vision of consciousness when it comes to learning about medicinal plants. What we have right now is a situation where people just grab something off the shelf and they have no idea the story behind how that plant was cultivated, or if it was harvested from the wild, how long that plant lived in the forest before it was harvested. And so the vision behind the store is to really be a place where there's transparency, where the products here are harvested in an ethical way, and to also feature small artisan herbal products that are from our bioregion right here. So it's really about creativity and artisan kind of use of our native biodiversity. And the other, I think, really important part to it is to really have a place where you can educate people. All right, cheers. So good.
It just like instantly uplifts my soul, like deep in the bones.